Buying a home in today's market might get a little bit challenging, especially in a rapid changing market where we're seeing values decline in certain neighborhoods, and in others we're seeing property values staying very robust. And so we ask, what should we offer on our next home purchase? One of the things that we've done to facilitate this process of bringing clarity on your home purchase decision is that creation of a true cost of buying a home blog that will help you get the resources that you need to identify exactly what you need to pay on your next home purchase. Now, this blog has insight month over month on what has transpired in the last 4 years and what we are expecting as we go into 2023. This map is going to include your interest rate, is also going to include mortgage payments, property values, and it will have the complete breakdown of what has been the historical data based on the demographic makeup of certain neighborhoods in the community and what it means for you as a consumer when making a decision on paying the right price for your home purchase. Make sure to click on the link below to get immediate access to the true cost of buying a home blog.